We are talking about vector triple product problems, and I have solved 2015, 16, 19, 14 problems, 5 problems I solved in the previous lecture. Let us see, these are the two questions we are going to solve it. If A, B, C are non-coplanar unit vectors such that A cross B cross C is equal to B vector plus C vector upon root 2, then find the angle between A and B is asking. So according to this, the first question I am solving, the second question later. The first question solution here follows. What I am going to do here, they given that A vector cross B vector cross C vector is equal to B vector plus C vector divided by root 2. Okay. Now you know that A cross B cross C, I explain you have to go for the far person A vector dot C vector into B vector minus, then you go to nearest one A vector dot B vector into C vector is equal to B vector by root 2 plus C vector by root 2. Then what you have to do here? You have to compare both. We have done many questions, 2015, 16, 17, 19. All these are same model. See that repeatedly asked. So B vector, if you compare, what is asking here? Angle between A and B. So you have to compare this one, not required this one. Okay, if I compare between this, I get angle between A and C, but is asking angle between A, where is asking angle between A and B. So you can compare these coefficients. So minus of A vector dot B vector is equal to 1 by root 2. That is, I am getting as A vector dot B vector is equal to minus 1 by root 2. That is mod A mod B cos theta. Angle between them is what is given. Angle between them they did not mention, so you can take theta. Theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. And they said as A, B, C are coplanar unit vectors. Unit vectors means this is 1, this is 1. So I got cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. When I get cos theta is minus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means 45 degrees. This is a negative angle. So second quadrant. So pi minus pi by 4. Correct? The answer will be what? Pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4. So that will be 3 pi by 4 is your answer. The angle between them is 3 pi by 4. That is the answer of the first question. Let us go for the second question. One more question. This is very important here. A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. B vector is I cap plus j cap. If C is a vector such that A dot C is mod C, C is a vector such that A dot C is mod C minus A is equal to 2 root 2, then find the angle between A cross B and C. C is a vector such that A dot C is mod C minus A is 2 root 2, and the angle between A cross B and C vector is 30 degrees. Then is asking the value of modulus of A cross B cross C is how much. This is the question he asked. Okay, this is the given information. These are the given informations. Through this information, he is asking to find A cross B and C between the given 30 degrees. So he is asking to find modulus of A cross B cross C. This question is important. Reason is that whenever you get the angle between these, whenever they get angle between these, don't go for vector triple product. This should not be solved vector triple product. You consider this total A cross B is one vector, C is another vector. So if I consider this is a U vector, U cross C. What is the U cross C? Mod U mod C sin theta. If it is, this is U C, mod U cross C will be mod U mod C sin theta. Then the angle between this is given, that's why we are using. So what we can write here, mod A cross B mod C sin 30 degrees. That what we have to find. For this, what is required? Sin 30 we know, that is 1 by 2. Mod C value you required, mod A cross B you required. So these two things you have to find, then the answer is done. So A cross B, A vector, B vector is given. So let us find A cross B first. Okay, A cross B, so I cap, J cap, K cap. Okay, what is A? You have component 2, 1, minus 2. Here what you have? 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, K is 0. So here we can write as the vector I is coming here like this. So after doing cross multiply 1 into 0 0 minus into minus plus 2 I get, okay, minus j cap into this is closed, 2 into 0 0 minus into minus plus 2 I get. Hope you understand here also I am getting 2, here also I am getting 2, okay, plus k cap into what I am going to get here, 2 ones are 2 minus 1, that is 1. So I am getting, that is A cross B, I am getting as 2 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 1 k cap. What is the modulus of this? Modulus of this is nothing but unit vector, modulus of this is under root of square root of 2 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. So modulus of A cross B, I got the answer is 2 square 4 plus 1, that is totally square root of 9. Square root of 9 is how much? 3. So this value is mod, so answer will be 3. So you got A cross B value is 3, sine 30 is 1 by 2, so 3 into 1 by 2 as I got. So this is nothing but I got this one as 3 by 2 mod C I got, right? A cross B I got 3, sine 30 is 1 by 2, so 3 by 2 mod C. So what I have to find? Mod C value. If I find mod C value, then my work is done, okay? So what I have to find here? Mod C value I have to find. How to find mod C? Just see here. The given conditions you have to use here. A dot C, they given mod C. Okay, mod C is given A dot C. This is one condition is given. Another condition is mod of C minus A is equal to 2 root 2. Squaring on both sides, this one. Squaring on both sides. 2 root 2 is nothing but root 8. Okay, this is nothing but root 8. Squaring on both sides, mod C square plus mod A square minus 2 times of, right, minus 2 times of A dot C, right? What is the formula for this one? We have mod C square mod A square minus 2 times of A dot C, right? A dot C is equal to, this is the square value is how much? 8. The square value is 8. Is given A dot C value is how much? Given mod C. So mod C square value is how much? We don't know. But mod A square I can get from here. Mod A square is nothing but mod A is square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square, that is nothing but square root of 9, right? 2 square 4, that is 9. 9 ka square, 9 square root of 9 square is 9. So this is I am getting mod C square plus 9 minus 2 times of mod C. Can I write this is mod C is equal to 8. It means that I am getting this one is mod C square minus 2 times of mod C, and this 8, if you send this a 9 minus 8 is 1 is equal to 0. This is looking like as mod C minus 1 whole square. This is A minus B whole square formula. So I can write as mod C minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore mod C value will be 1. Mod C value will be positive, that is 1. So the answer is 3 by 2 into 1. The answer is 3 by 2. So this is the way to deal this vector triple product. We are going to solve 2 more questions tomorrow, and then we will I will explain you what is how to express the reciprocal of a vector, and that is the end of this chapter. We have finished the vector chapter, and tomorrow we are going to finish this chapter, and the next we will solve some previous year question. Almost many previous year questions I solved in the class, but still we are going to solve tomorrow some previous year questions. Then we will end up this chapter and we will start 3D geometry. Till then, take care. Bye bye.